welcome to this demonstration of the Adaptive Pattern Exploration System, or APES. In this video, we will walk you through how APES assists in discovering high-utility spatial patterns through an interactive, user-centric process. To demonstrate its capabilities, we'll be using point-of-interest POI data from the Haidian district of Beijing. To begin, we input the necessary parameters to configure the mining process. Next, we upload two essential files: the spatial dataset, which contains the location-based instances, and the utility values file, which provides utility scores for each feature. These inputs are crucial as they define both the structure and the value-based criteria for pattern mining. Once the data is loaded, APES automatically visualizes the spatial distribution of the instances. This gives users a clear, map-based view of where different features are located across the district. You can zoom in, explore specific regions, and observe how densely or sparsely different types of POIs are distributed. This spatial overview is helpful in understanding potential relationships between features even before mining begins. The next step is feature selection. Users are invited to select the features they are most interested in. In this demonstration, we choose features such as parks and hotels, which are common but meaningful elements in urban environments. Once the features are selected, we initiate the mining process with a single click. The mining process in APES is iterative and guided by user feedback. Here, we configure the system to pause every 10 iterations to allow for interaction. After 10 iterations, the system displays a set of discovered patterns. At this point, the user can provide feedback by selecting patterns of interest. In our case, we will choose patterns that include parks, hotels, or combinations of the two, such as park and hotel co-locations. After identifying relevant patterns, we click Confirm to submit our selections. This feedback is then used to dynamically update the feature probability distribution, refining the focus of future iterations. The mining continues automatically until it reaches the predefined iteration limit or converges. Once complete, users can explore the final discovered patterns. By clicking on a pattern, we can view detailed information, including the involved spatial instances, their coordinates, individual feature utilities, and the total utility score of the pattern. That concludes our brief overview of how APES works. As you've seen, it offers a smooth, visual, and interactive way to guide the pattern discovery process with direct user input. Thank you for watching this demonstration. We hope it has given you a clear understanding of how APES can support your work in uncovering high-utility spatial patterns. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to reach out to us.